could start yelling at me again.
It flaps.
Yeah, well, I think flaps 15 just to make sure we won't stall. gusty at low altitude.
Light slow.
Yeah, it is.
Watch the runway, right?
Light slow.
It's going right. So the runway is from the right side of that light, white and yellow.
Oh, right side?
I think you were aiming on that. On
I was,
the taxiway.
yeah, I was aiming for the ramp again.
Approaching 02.
Level out the wings.
Light slow. Light slow.
Close up a touch.
Light slow.
Now we're catching up.
Now it's floating around.
500.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
400.
Right. Excellent. And that's it. And that's it. So and you wait, you know.
300.
And wait.
Look up
Approaching
right.
minimum.
Light slow.
Once you're close and visual,
Light
slow.
just look at the
Light
runway.
slow.
Forget the
Light
instrument.
slow. Light slow. Light slow. Light slow. Light slow.
100.
Just slowly.
I'm going to steer on the runway, so
50.
don't
Take
worry
the
about
power
that.
off.
Oh, okay.
30. 20. 10.
Got it, got it.
Round the
Wait, 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 wait. Use your
Yeah, there you go.
Nice, that was better landing.
kites. Kites.
2,000 remaining.
Heights?
Yeah, we have kites on the left.
Right there in
Approaching
front of the
on
runway.
runway 2.
Looks like they're floating in the air, right above the
Caution,
runway.
short runway.
UFOs?
Short runway.
Kites.
Oh, they're windsurfers.
Remaining.
Yeah. Okay. Parasailing. Good job, guys.
Yeah, excellent.
Yeah.
So it looks
Pretty
like
much good land.
you want to do one more circle?
Yeah, if you want
Yeah?
to.
Let's do
I
it.
can try doing the couple.
Right now you have more confidence. See, like you're turning.
Slightly.
How about a really short hop over to the Big Island to Kona? It's even closer than.
Okay, yeah, let's do.
Okay, so
let's do that.
reposition at the beginning of the runway. I think we got enough.
I think we have enough to take off even from here. Yeah.
This one is only 7,000 feet. You've used half of it.
Okay,
I'll
let's
Gotta reposition it here.
let's put that minus 30 degrees to get the N1.
Oh, can you actually crash in the simulator too?
You can,
Oh,
but
So we did it.
how does it look? Does it look
not
spectacular?
really. You know what it is? We've actually disabled the crash,
Oh, okay.
but you can tell if you crash because if you do crash, it does a really unrealistically high bounce.
Oh.
It bounces 100 feet straight up in the air.
Oh wow.
The reason we did that is because if it did a full crash and reset, then you have to reset the whole sim, and it takes a few minutes to do.
Oh, I see.
Little flaps 5, right? We don't. Okay, so let's go to route. Actually, we can just type in PHKO. Put it on destination. Okay. And go to departure arrival.
It's over here.
Yeah. And go to runway 2. We'll forget the sit and start. Just go to departure arrival. And go to HKO arrival. And it's going to be ILS 17. And don't worry about the transition. Go to route. Oh, actually, sorry. Yes, go to departure arrival ILS 17. It's going to be ILS 17 and UPP route. And go to. How come I didn't execute? That's usually you flush it out. Yeah, that's okay. That'll work. Okay.
Additional if you need like direct.
Yeah. Do we have enough fuel? 3.4 tons. We're getting a little low.
It's okay.
That should be okay. V speeds are still the same. Okay. So flight director off. And who's flying this leg? Ryan again?
Ryan,
What? No, Sergey should
No,
fly.
it's okay. I will be the pilot monitor.
He's doing my job.
Yeah.
Okay. I think this is an interview, actually.
Did we put in the legs? Oh, sorry. Did we put in the altitude here? Performance. Well, 5,000. We'll go up to. Let's go up to 10,000 feet. We'll go even 11,000. Let's do it up and down.
You should change this guy too.
Yeah, you can go straight up to 11,000. I'm hoping so. Hey, technically, you're supposed to flush out the data, so there's no
Okay, yeah.
conflict. So 11,025. So basically, when you take off, fly out to about 3,000-4,000, then it's a right turn. The Big Island is to the east,
Okay.
and then we'll go direct to the UPP VOR.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, go.
So flaps 5. Wait.
Oh, auto brakes to RTO.
Auto brakes to RTO. Do we have all those
Trim.
stuff set up?
Yeah.
So we don't need to press them.
No, they're
Okay,
in.
excellent.
Trim is pretty good too.
Trim is fine. 5. Okay, right. You good to go?
Yep.
So we're ready. 70. And we're
Hold
going
the
to
switch. You can hit the auto throttles down. They're on.
V1. Rotate. And
Take him.
excellent. Take off. Positive rate. Gear up, please. Gear up.
Where you going for it?
We're up in the air.
Go heading select. Heading select first. Level change. Bug up to 250. Lower your nose, Ryan.
So as soon as you stabilize the aircraft, I'm going to get rid of flaps. So please get rid of.
Watch your flaps.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. So
Stable?
try
Oh.
try to gain a little bit of speed. So we'll nose down. Just we're going to gain speed. We're going to get rid of flaps, and we're going to fly like a rocket.
So good. Sounds
Yeah,
good.
nose down. Even though I know it's telling you
Yeah.
not nose down.
You can go to VNAV now. No, VNAV.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Go back to
heading. and-
VNAV. Right there. Yeah. Go flaps one. Okay, let's turn right heading 070.
070. And flaps up.
Nice view. Oh, pretty easy.
Oh,
Nice view of Maui. That's the Hana. Road to Hana there is a gorgeous drive. Awesome.
Okay, so instead of terrain, we have to go to weather. And we get to go right.
Increase your range.
So this is that is our approach.
Yeah, that's the start of the approach, but we're not going to go to it yet because we got some terrain still to clear. We'll just stay on this heading for another minute or two.
Yeah.
Actually, once you're over 10,000, then you're safe to go right.
Okay.
So you can go direct to that waypoint.
I think we can like speed up to.
Yeah, you're on VNAV, so it'll
Yeah,
just leave it on
it's-
VNAV. It's going to speed up 250 below 10,000.
Okay.
So just turn your heading bug to overlap that UTP, and then Brian can fly towards it.
Yep.
And then go to your legs.
I think it's round.
Legs.
Left.
Select UPP. See where it says UPP? Put it on the top. And then execute. And go element. Good. Now his flight director will take him right to it. Landing gear off. Auto brakes and all that stuff. See, now it's accelerating. It's
It's pretty funny.
So this is our plan actually. So we're going to fly here and set right and do landing.
Oh, wow. That looks pretty intense.
So you go to menu, please, and go to sim options. Etar, PHKO. 0904 light winds, 10 miles, visibility clear, sky 19 degrees, altimeter's 3006. I will change the altimeter. Oh, the Bryant's 6. And there you go, sir.
Thank you. So we're going to
You're coming in from the north. Yeah, this. You can, if you go to your legs page, you should see all this. Guyenne. Is it Guyenne? There's Guyenne.
It's okay. I think it's enough for us right now. It's 109.7.
Oh, neat. I guess that's the volcano. That's the volcano.
Yeah, Haleakala.
Oh, that's.
Okay, it's 10,000 feet above sea level. As long as you stay at 11, you're okay.
Okay, perfect.